province has quietly paused a program that allows employers to hire foreign workers. The Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program, or SINP, is meant to address labor shortages by allowing immigrants to fill vacancies.
Effective February 18, 2025, pinopost nila yung SINP na job offer-based na stream temporarily. Hey guys, good morning! Sunday ngayon dito. And ang ganda na ng weather. So, ano ngayon? +8. So, the next couple days is plus na dito sa Calgary. Ganito pala weather dito. Yun nga, first winter namin dito sa Calgary. So, nako-compare namin yung winter dito and winter sa Manitoba. So, dito pala kapag mag-snow, like magstay yung snow for a couple weeks. Pero after that, matutunaw din. So, ang ganda ng weather nila dito. Yun lang, sa ibang tao na hindi sanay sa ganun, nagkaka-migraine sila. Masakit yung ulo nila. So, si Ivan nung Thursday or Wednesday ata yun, na first day na bumaba yung weather from minus 26 or 28 yun. Kinabukasan, naging +3 agad. So, sumakit yung ulo niya. And then, nanood kami ng balita and na-realize namin because of the Chinook nga. Kaya, biglang baba nung temperature, biglang taas ng temperature agad. So, pakita ko yung weather sa inyo. Sobrang sunny ngayon. Ganda ng weather as in. And natunaw lahat ng snow agad. So, ito guys, ang labas ngayon dito sa Calgary. And sunny. So, parang sweater weather nga eh. Malamig yung hangin pero hindi sobra. Kaya naka-sweater lang din kami. Pakita ko rin pala yung temperature sa inyo sa phone. Yan, sobrang aliwalas ng panahon ngayon. Kakagaling lang pala namin sa ni Kian, swimming lesson. Every Sunday kasi yun eh. Yan, papunta kami sa South Center Mall para maiba naman.
Kasi Mommy, because it's a nice place.
Yeah. Kasi kahapon nag-ano na sila.
Mommy, 2 more minutes.
Lapit na. Nag-cross iron na sila. Eh, may pasok ako kahapon na evening.
Look at this evening. Look at this
Evening. So ngayon South Center naman para maiba. Ito na yung South Center Mall. Medyo malayo lang to sa amin, parang yung Chinook. Kasi sa South nga ito.
Is it layo?
It is, yeah.
How many minutes?
I know, maybe.
30,
How many minutes,
maybe 35 or 40.
40 from our
No,
place.
50.
50 ba?
That's layo.
Sunday ngayon, so medyo pahirapan for sure sa parking.
Let's see if the parking is
Relax
hard
muna.
to find or easy.
Yeah, we'll see ha.
Mom, they have a parking.
Chill muna kasi bukas may pasok ako.
Mommy,
Nakipagpalit
it's
lang
our
ako
first
nung
time visiting
shift
here.
kasi nga ang ganda ng weather. Gusto ko mag-off ng isang weekend.
It's our second time
Tsaka off din si
Mommy.
Kian. Yeah.
Our second time.
Bukas sa pasok na naman tayo. Chill muna ng konti.
So, it's our first time going here.
No, it's
Our
not.
second time going here.
Second ba? Third? Maybe third.
No, second.
Ayan guys, nandito na rin kami sa loob ng South Center
So, they
Mall.
have an elevator.
Batang mahilig sa elevator. Oh, sa second floor yung nila food court. So,
But they have one there.
oh yeah, there's elevator there I think. Ayan. Parang. At saka open yung taas nila kapag sunny sa labas.
No.
Yun yung napansin din namin sa mga mall dito. May glass, sila, roof. Kain na. Gutom na. Para sa amin, hindi. Madaming upuan. Sa Chinook kasi, ang mahirap yung washroom. Yung washroom nila ang lalayo sa isa't isa. Ang sarap pumasyal after ng ilang araw na work. Dito na kami sa food court. Na chicken balls na may natira. Uy, mag-open yung potato kanto dito. With chat time. Hingin tayo makakain. May kinakainan kami dito na masarap eh. Mataas nga than the usual. May kinakainan kami na Mediterranean food dito na lamb. Masarap. Yan. Cinnamon. Gusto ni Mams ito eh. Sinzeo. Kakain muna tayo, diba? Naaliw si Mamsi. Nadidistract siya sa kung ano-ano. Madaming tao ngayon sa food court. Last time yung KFC nila dito, soon to open pa. Ngayon nag-open na. Ayun yung kinakainan namin, kabablan. I'm sure KFC na naman kakainin ni Kian. Mahilig to sa chicken balls. Kabablan. Ito yun. Yung kinainan namin the last time. Yung summer pa. Ayan, so sabi, 10 minutes daw yung sa lamb chop. So, ayan yung menu nila. Ito yung kay Mamsi. Ready na.
Riley has it.
Okay, you can have it na. Ayan.
Stay na lang, sige.
Tapos, ito yung mga ilalagay. Mahilig kami sa Mediterranean food kasi ang sarap. Pati itong mga roast na vegetable, sobrang sarap. Basmati with dill, basmati rice. Ito na yung mga ready nila. Kaya pala ready na yung kay Mamsi. Roast lamb shank. Yung chop hindi pa ready eh. 10 minutes daw. Nakahanap din kami ng upuan. Kanina andong kami sa side doon. Tapos lumipat lang kami dito. What's your food?
This.
And?
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings. Yung kay Mamsi. Lamb. Lamb shank. Ayun Gandara Park. Tsaka ang ganda ng view dito eh. Kaya siguro nakakuha lahat yung mga nandito sa may window view. Right? Buti na lang may umalis. Kaya dito kami. Naantay ni Ivan yung order namin.
Look, what's that? Look.
Ayun. What's that?
Chicken wings.
Bigyan ko si Mamsi. Ito na yung order namin. Parang last time isa lang.
Parang
Madami ngayon. Ganyan siya. Lamb chop. Grilled. Ayan. Kain na kami. Ganda ng view, di ba?
So the UV index is 2. That means it's super sun.
Sunny UV index.
Bright.
It's super bright. May sunny may UV index ka pang nalalaman dyan Kain nga muna kami.
No.
Ayan. Galit-galit
No,
muna.
okay.
Ayan. Galit-galit na. Kain na.
Hindi na po ngayon.
Ito yung sa amin lang. Binigyan ko ng isa si Mamsi. Kain na. Tapos yung kinuha ni Ivan sa akin is dill rice. Ayaw mag-focus.
Pagulog po.
Ayun. Dill rice.
Malasa nga.
Malasa? Hindi ko na maalala yung dati mo pero. Yung dati. Hindi ko na maalala. Tagal na kasi nun. Summer pa.
Wala na nagluluto nila.
Ito yung lamb chop. Inagaya ako ni Kian. Baka matapon yung ano mo, iyak ka dyan. Sige ka.
Dati tanda ko isang dipak lang yun.
Isa lang nga. Ngayon dalawa, no? Same price lang,
Same
no?
price, 7.
Momsy! It's okay!
Sarap, guys.
Mom, just eat.
Masarap.
Oh, raha.
Tsaka smoky. Hindi naman siya gamey. Kasi 'di ba usually pag lamb, niisip ng mga tao gamey siya. Kasi last time hindi ko to in order eh. Sa feeling ko gamey siya.
Parang ako tumorder.
Ikaw yung umorder then tinry namin. Pero hindi siya gamey. Nasarapan ako dun sa kay Ivan nun.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. Kain na muna. Galit-galit na.
Smoky nyo.
Masarap yung mga gulay nila na ganito. Pampalis ng umay. Pinahalo ko sa kanin. Parang ano eh, beets. Pickled beets, no?
Could I still have this or no?
Oh yeah, oh here.
Because, is it salad or no?
It's not, it's rice, dill rice. Try mo muna. Dill rice.
Oh.
Ano? You like it? Ay! You like it or what? Eat your chicken wings. Ito yung kay Kian. Chicken wings grilled din.
Good din.
You want it with rice? No?
Good pala lahat eh.
Grilled lahat, no? Ganun din ba nung last? Yung sa kanya? Fried? Hindi, grilled din yata eh.
Momsy!
Hindi ko maalala.
Momsy, it's grilled.
Hindi siya yung sobrang tender, pero malasa. May bayad yung takeout box dun sa Kababland, kaya humingi si Mamsi sa KFC. Diba? Yung loob is yung leftover. Ang dami kasi hindi namin maubos. Pero sobrang sarap. Mas malambot yung lamb shank kaysa dun sa chop. Pero masarap. Buti nakahingi si Mamsi ng mga boxes sa ibang store. 50 cents lang naman, pero wala kaming barya. Naiwan ko sa bahay. Sobrang busog namin. So, lakad-lakad muna kami para hindi masyadong mag-guilty. Though, hindi ko naubos yung kanin ko. Kasi, heavy rin yung breakfast namin eh. Puro protein. Scrambled eggs. Kaya ito, lakad-lakad muna tayo dito sa South Center Mall. Sunday ngayon. So, family day. Pasyal day. Ayun. Are you happy? First time niyang mag-try ng jelly bean. Hindi namin siya masyadong sinasanay sa matatamis eh. Napa-order kami ulit kasi masarap daw, sabi ni Mamsi. Masarap ba, me? Ano siya, yung kay Mamsi? Non-fat. Vanilla with blueberry. Tapos, may machine sila to mix it. Dami ng tao ngayon. Pero napaka-liwalas magpasyal dito kasi hindi sobrang crowded even if madaming tao.
One eternity later.
Has quietly paused a program that allows employers to hire foreign workers. The Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program, or SINP, is meant to address labor shortages by allowing immigrants to fill vacancies. Employers are only allowed to hire them after they've shown that nobody else in the province is available to do the job. It's a familiar process for Mike Patel, who runs several small stores throughout rural Saskatchewan.
In a smaller town, sometimes there is not even a people's available for people to work. So this program helped to even develop the businesses, develop the smaller communities to help the local people over there.
The sudden decision pauses the program for at least several weeks. There are worries it could leave businesses without workers and employees without a status to remain in Canada. The provincial government says Ottawa is to blame. The federal government is slashing immigration numbers across the country due to challenges around housing and social services. So in Saskatchewan, that means just 3,600 spots in its nomination program. That's down by half, and the lowest number since 2009. The province says the pause is necessary to figure out where positions are most needed. For the director of an immigration consultant company, the pause by the provincial government has been disruptive. Rajdeep Singh's phone has been ringing off the hook. Last week, Singh received 100 calls from people trying to get answers.
We have seen a lot of panic in both employers and employees. Obviously, this was very sudden. There was no prior announcement via SINP that they'll bring out something like this.
Singh says he has no answers because the province hasn't provided them with any. A master's student at the University of Regina has been waiting years to be selected through the Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program. He says the abrupt decision is unfair.
When you are declaring a law or a policy, and the people who already came here based upon that policy, there should be some flexibility for those people.
People that rely on the program say they need answers soon because their livelihoods and their place in Canada hangs in the balance. Alexander Kwan, CBC News, Regina.
Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung bagong balita from IRCC. Hindi na rin tayo nagugulat. And gusto ko lang naman i-share yung mga bagong nakikita natin sa balita. And ito bagong-bago lang, effective February 18, 2025. Pinopost nila yung SINP na job offer-based na stream temporarily. So gusto ko lang din i-share yung mismong galing sa Saskatchewan.ca website. Why has SINP temporarily paused the acceptance of new job approval forms? Nakalagay dito, SINP has been essential for Saskatchewan employers seeking to hire international workers when qualified Canadian workers are unavailable. Given this dramatic reduction in available spots, program changes will be necessary to ensure fair and effective management of our limited allocation. Effective, eto nga, February 18, 2025, the SINP temporarily paused acceptance of new applications from employers and their job approval forms. SINP will continue to accept and finalize applications from skilled workers who already have job approval letter during this time. So, kamukha nga ito guys nung sa balita dun sa CBC Saskatchewan na cut off nga ng 50%, naging 3,600 na lang yung i-accept ng SINP through job offer or job approval form na based na streams. So, lowest daw to since 2009. Will any exceptions be made during this temporary pause? No exceptions will be made during this pause period. When will it begin accepting again? It will last several weeks. We will announce when job approval forms can be submitted after reviewing current applications and aligning with Saskatchewan priorities. Why has the 2025 allocation been reduced? The Federal Immigration Level Plan for 2025 to 2027 is reducing overall levels of immigration. The PNP has been reduced by 50% in this overall plan, and the federal government has applied this cut equally across all PNPs. Will the JIF I submitted before the pause still be processed? So, nakalagay dito na yung mga before February 18, ipaprocess pa. So, ayun guys, hindi na nga tayo nagugulat sa mga balita na bago. I'm sure meron pang kasunod. And positive lang tayo. Yun nga, inaayos lang talaga ng Canada yung mga naging pagkakamali niya before. Kasi sobrang nagluwag talaga nung time. And then ngayon is nahirapan nga, like yung housing crisis and yung mga ganong issue na nag-contribute sa inflation din and pagtaas sobra ng housing prices kasi mataas yung demand pero konti lang yung supply. So, ayun, antay-antay lang tayo. Sinashare ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung nakita natin na news and effective to guys nung Feb 18 pa, 2025. And ayun, salamat sa panonood and pagsubaybay sa vlog na to and we'll see you on our next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!